everyone, take the paper and cut it using the scissor as shown in the video, and then cut it from the sides and then join them together using the glue. Paste it like this and put it over the sheets. Make few more as such. Draw the brown color lines and paste them one by one over it, and it's ready. Next, take the clay and paste it on the white sheet and press it using the fingers like this and spread it little bit as shown in the video. Put dark green color, put some black color clays like this, put the white dots over it like this. Make some dots using black color marker over the white part. Now draw their tails like this and your tadpoles are almost ready. You can decorate it by drawing the lines on the leaves like this. Draw it carefully as shown in the video and it's ready. Next, draw the stems of the tree or the branches of the tree like this on the sheet and make its leaves. Now take yellow color paper and join it to make the birds like this. Make its wings as shown in the video, make its tail and then decorate it and it's ready. Next, take a red color paper and tear it like this from the front and the sides. Apply the glue and paste it on the white sheet like this. Draw its stems and branches like this. Make its leaves. Using different color clays, we will make the caterpillar like this on both the sides. Make their legs, eyes and the tail and it's ready. Next, take the clay and put it over the white sheet like this. Press it using the fingers. Make the leaves and stems of the cherries like this using green color marker. Put some white dots over it and your cherries are almost ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will take a white sheet as shown in the video and draw the branches of the tree using brown color marker like this. Draw it in the same manner as we have drawn in this video. Now using green color marker, we will make the leaves on the branches of the tree like this. Draw it properly. Now using the yellow color clay like this, put it over the branches to make the flowers. Put the orange color in the between. Make more flowers like this in the same manner. Draw the designs over it like this and it's ready. I hope you liked it. You can use different color clays to make the flowers. Next, take the brown color marker and then draw the branches of the tree. Make the leaves using green color marker like this. After that, using pink color clay, we will make the flowers over it. Put the yellow color clay in the between. Make few more flowers around it like this. Decorate it as shown in the video. Make the flowers carefully and it's almost ready. You can choose different color to make the flowers. Otherwise, it's done. Thanks for watching.